Hello everyone, today I'm presenting our project on semantic shift detection for 19th century Spanish titled Historical Ink. This project is a collaborative effort between Tony Montes and Laura Manrique Gomez from UniAndes. Our primary focus is on detecting semantic shifts in historical Spanish texts from the 19th century, particularly Latin American Spanish. This period is considered a low-resource language, which adds to the challenge and significance of our study for both collecting the data and testing known solutions as the ones demonstrated in LC discovery, shared task. But in this particular context, our outputs in this research are both the pipeline for detecting different meanings of words along the diachronic corpora and a new corpus. Our corpus includes ebooks from Project Gutenberg, digitized books from the British Library, and a dataset created as part of the Historical Ink project, which contains Latin American newspapers from the 19th century. The full corpus has 160 million tokens with 5.7 million tokens specifically for Latin American Spanish texts. Now, about the methodology to detect semantic shifts, we employed several BERT-based models, such as Beto, a Spanish BERT model, which is specifically designed for Spanish text analysis, multilingual BERT model, and Albert, an optimized BERT model that allows for faster and more efficient processing without compromising accuracy. We trained our models on the historical corpus, fine-tuning them to capture the semantic nuances specific for the 19th century context on both Latin American and the whole Spanish. We applied common techniques such as cosine similarity and PRT for measuring meaning changes, but frequency was the main indicator to define whether a meaning was lost, gained after clustering.
Hello everyone, my name is Laura and I'm here to present the findings from our research. We found semantic shifts that illustrate the profound impact of cultural and political changes on language. For example, the word revolution historically was associated with terms like blood and richness, but it has shifted to be closer to king and savage. This indicates a shift from economic and violent connotations to more politically charged associations. Another fascinating finding is for the words mujeres, women, and infancia, childhood. Both had evolved to reflect the modern civil rights movements. Finally, in the 19th century, the word women reflected more traditional gender roles, while infancia meant the infancy of the nation in Latin America's newly independent countries. Thank you for your attention.